Hi friends. High victory is made in those early morning hours when no one's watching and everyone is sleeping. And there's a reason so many of the great achievers of the world get up before the sun, which is the most special part of the day. In this video, we will reveal some of the secrets of the book The 5 AM Club by Robin Sharma, who introduced the concept over 20 years ago and sold more than 15 million books worldwide. So let's get started. Waking up daily at 5 am, the majority will call you crazy, but remember that being labeled a freak is the price of greatness. The 5 am method into your morning routine will upgrade your productivity. You will rise from the community of superficiality that currently dominates the earth up into the society of granularity. This heightened level of insight and consciousness will then optimize your daily decision. And logically, once you get your daily choices right, you will accelerate your leadership, accomplishment, and impact dramatically because it's your decisions that make your results. Well, let's see how we can install the habit of waking up at 5 am. The first phase of creating any new habit, the destruction stage, which is precisely like this. You need to overcome your deeply ingrained habits, dominant rituals, and traditional states of performance. You need to rise above your own forces of gravity until your escape velocity kicks in. Stage 2 is called installation because it's like you're going through an interior renovation of sorts. Former foundations need to be torn down so that much better ones can be put up. This stage will make you feel confused, stressed out, and frustrated. You'll feel like quitting even more and dismissing your decision to join the 5 am club as a terrible one. So, when you're writing in this priceless new morning routine, the entire structure of your brain really is in upheaval as you manufacture new neural pathways. Your whole system really is being restructured. You're honestly in seriously unfamiliar territory, sprouting green shoots, going blue ocean, conquering new territories of self potential, and accessing higher universes of human optimization. The final stage is when it all comes together and you get to experience the benefits of your fantastic commitment to being a lifetime member of 5 am club. You are nearing the end of roughly 66-day period required for a human brain and being to encode a routine. So now it's success time. You advanced through the initial disruption, you made it through the dangerousness and chaos of middle phase, and you come out of the other side stronger, more skilled with greater intimacy of your most supreme and invincible nature. You are now the next version of your greatest self. Now you have developed the habit of waking up at 5 am. But what to do after that? And the answer is no social networking at all. So the power of getting up early really comes from the daily application of the 20-20-20 formula. There are three 20-minute pockets to install and then practice to mastery level. The first minute pocket of 20-20-20 formula requires that you move. Simply put, doing some sweaty exercise first thing every morning will revolutionize the quality of your days. The second pocket encourages you to reflect for 20 minutes. This segment is designed to help you re-access your natural power, boost self-awareness, dissolve your stress, fuel your happiness, and restore your inner peace in an era of acute overstimulation and excessive activity. And you will round out the 60-minute victory hour of personal fortification with 20 minutes centered around ensuring that you grow. Whether that means investing some time reading a book that will improve your understanding of how the best lives were made, or an article that will refine your professional prowess, or listening to an audio session on how the virtuosos accomplish their unusual results, or watching an educational video that will show you how to lift your relationships, or increase your finances, or deepen your spirituality. Friends, you might have thought, what if someone wants to exercise for longer than 20 minutes? Well, you can customize it to fit your preferences and make it to bespoke to suit your lifestyle. Author also describe interesting concept of twin cycle of elite performance. Example: just as a muscle tears when you stress it to the edge of its capacity and then actually grows during the pause of recovery, your five assets of genius surge when you actively push them past their usual limits and then allow for a period of regeneration. So high excellence cycle where you work wholehearted and the deep refueling cycle where you relax and repair yourself. Well, to wake up early in the morning, we also need to restructure our pre-sleep routine. The internet and social media and the widespread absorption with our devices are fueling much of it. Research is now confirming that the blue light emitted from our tools of technology reduces the amount of melatonin within us. Melatonin is the chemical that informs your body that it needs to get sleep. There's zero doubt that checking your gadgets all day long impairs cognitive function as you learn. And there's no question at all that being in front of your screens before bedtime causes sleep dysfunction. So before going to bed, turn off all your devices and take time for real conversations with loved ones. Or you can read books or can take a bath and then prepare for sleep in a cool, dark, and technology free bedroom. Friends, like other self help books, this book is slightly different where you got engaged with some fictional stories which would take you to different worlds. The whole intention of the book is to suggest we wake up before sun, whether it is 5 am, 6 am, or 4 am, and you can customize your routine to fit your preferences. Please hit the like button if you really feel this video pushed you a little ahead, and share this with your dear one. Comment if you have any suggestion for our channel, and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos on weekly content. Thanks a lot.